Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a question many mothers quietly ask themselves: if I stop pumping, will people think I gave up? Many mothers feel pressure to meet other people's expectations. Friends, family, social media, and even strangers may have opinions about how long a mother should pump or how she should feed her baby. The truth is that every mother's journey is different. Some mothers pump for a few weeks, some for several months, and others for longer. There is no single timeline that fits everyone. Life can change in many ways. Returning to work, caring for other children, changes in health, or simply feeling exhausted can all affect a mother's pumping routine. Choosing to reduce or stop pumping does not erase the time, effort, and love you have already given your baby. Every pumping session has been part of your journey. The most important goal is not to meet someone else's expectations. It is to make decisions that support both your baby's well-being and your own physical and emotional health. Many mothers discover that feeding journeys change over time, and adapting to those changes is a normal part of parenthood. Instead of comparing yourself with others, focus on creating a routine that works for your family and your daily life. Remember, motherhood is not measured by the number of pumping sessions or the length of time you pump. It is measured by the care, love, and dedication you give your child every single day. Every mother's story is unique, and every journey deserves respect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.